Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Mido TV Adventure. I have an unboxing today from SarmTech. Got a few products from there for the first time. The shipping was fast, took 3 days to arrive. And this is the packaging from outside. And then I'll open it, see what's in there. Alright, so this is what you'll get. So this is what you see after unwrapping that plastic wrap with your address and whatever. A box with a sticker says SarmTech. This is what the box looks like. Alright, now let's open it and see what do we have inside here. Okay, so there's this guy. Their cards, the lab testing, more than 4,000 plus no BS reviews on their products, and 100% return guarantee. You get a free sticker, SarmTech hologram. I like it. So if you spend more than 150 or 100, you get this free key thing here, SarmTech. To the products. Start first with the Andro AI from SarmTech, estrogen blocker, obviously, to block excessive estrogen. I'm not running any specific cycle now, nothing but Lexogenin. I'm just doing this all natural as of now. So this is good, you know, to balance any extra estrogen, to reduce the belly fat and to get leaner. So I got 2 of the Andro AI. 1, 2. They come in 90 capsules, 50 milligrams each capsules. Okay, there you go. Aromatase. So 2 of that. I got MK2866 Ostrine or Ostrine. Read about it, that have benefits of giving you a decent muscle mass with not too much side effects, and also helps for your joints and tendons, which is something really important to me. I currently take Animal Flex for that, and any extra push for joints and tendons and whatever is welcome. So you get leaner while using this product too. The bottle comes with 90 count. Excited to try this guy here. The 4th product, Andro 1D. DHEA Test Boost. Test your testosterone, give you a feeling, sense of well-being. Overall, you know, feeling good, help with boosting your test. So also can't wait to try that, to stack them together. So I'm stacking this guy with this and Lexogenin 225 milligrams daily, and I will use this as a joker to just, you know, be safe from any bad estrogen or any excessive estrogen going to happen or would happen, or if I have any extra estrogen already in my body. So not a bad choice to put this in the cycle, if you want to call it. All right, then here is the receipt. You get a receipt, and that's it. That's what comes in the box. I might do an update using these products. Let me know in the comment section if you're interested, and please comment down below if you ordered anything from SarmTech before. What was the product, and did you get any benefits, any side effects? and how did you deal with them. Subscribe and like for more updates coming soon. Updates on a few days of using first week, updates on a month of usage, and etc. until like I use the whole cycle. Thank you for watching again, and I see you in my next one.